Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a delicious wet fried tilapia fish stew. It's saucy, flavorful and so easy to make. Let's get cooking. First, start with fresh tilapia. Clean your fish properly, then season both sides with salt and pepper. Simple, but it makes all the difference. Next, add cooking oil to your pan and let it heat up. Once it's hot, fry the fish until it's golden on both sides. Once it's done, take it out from the pan and set it aside. We'll add it back later so it stays juicy. Chop the onions, ginger and tomatoes and add oil into the pot. Now for the stew base, add cloves first to release the flavor and then toss in chopped onions and ginger. Add tomatoes and cook it for about 3 minutes or until soft. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Once it's cooked, transfer the mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. It should be looking like this. Pour the blended sauce back into the pot. Add half cup of water and stir. Now add your fried tilapia back into the sauce. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes so all those flavors come together. And just like that, our stew is ready. You can serve it hot with rice, pap, spaghetti or any side dish of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.